Good morning. You're listening Nishi Sharma, your news anchor from Laopara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 6th July from around the world. COVID-19 recovery rate in 21 states. UT is higher than national average of 60.77%. Health Ministry. New Delhi. 21 states and UTs including Delhi, Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh have a great COVID-19 recovery rate higher than the national average of 60.77%, the Union Health Ministry said on Sunday, as India's case count mounted to 6.73 lakh and the death toll rose to 19,268. Kerala government makes COVID-19 guidelines mandatory for a year. The Kerala government on Sunday made COVID safety guidelines such as wearing of masks in public places and prohibition on spitting mandatory for a year in an amendment brought to the Epidemic Diseases Act. The amendment has been introduced aimed growing fears that the state is heading off community transmission stage of COVID-19. And violation of the amendment will result in a fine of up to rupees 10,000 and a jail term of 2 years. Kanpur encounter. Vikas Dubey received a call from police station before cops came to arrest. The main accused in the Kanpur encounter case, Vikas Dubey, had received a phone call from the police station before the police came to arrest him, following which he had called other accomplices and fired bullets on the police personnel, claimed Daya Shankar Agnihotri, an accomplice of Dubey. Lucas Minans, FAO, asked India to be on high alert for next 4 weeks. India should remain on high alert against locust attack for the next 4 weeks. The Food and Agriculture Organization FAO has warned aimed the country facing the worst locust attack in 26 years. Stepping up its efforts, the government is using latest technology and equipments like drones and Bell helicopters to control the menace. Heavy rains continue in Mumbai. Powai Lake overflows. Mumbai and its neighboring districts were hit by heavy rains for the third consecutive day on Sunday, resulting in waterlogging in several low-lying areas of the city. Would have loved to play more T20 cricket, says Sourav Ganguly. BCCI President Sourav Ganguly on Sunday lent his support for T20 cricket, saying he would have reinvented his game to meet the demands of the shortest format if he was playing in his era. Government blocks 40 websites of Pro Khalistan Group false voter registration bid. The government on Sunday blocked 40 websites of Pro Khalistan Group 6 for Justice SFJ and foiled its campaign of support for its cause. The websites were blocked on the recommendation of the Ministry of Home Affairs. COVID vaccine not for human trial marks beginning of end, says Centre. As India races to develop a vaccine for COVID-19, the government on Sunday said that the country is entering the human trial stage, which marks the beginning of the end of the pandemic. IIT Kharagpur will announce final results after July 8. Director, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur will announce the final results for the academic year 2019-20 after July 8, Director Professor V.K. Tiwari said. The institute had earlier cancelled the end semester examination due to COVID-19 pandemic. Morale of armed forces very high, ready to sacrifice lives for country, ITBP DG. The morale of the Indian armed forces is very high, and the troops are ready to sacrifice their lives for the nation like in the past, ITBP Chief SS Deshwal said on Sunday as the military standoff with China continues in Ladakh. I, Nishi Sharma, will come back with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.